for it. So guys, this is going to be the existing system for Dennis and Barb that we're looking at right now. What we have is a 40,000 BTU furnace with a 2-ton fan. It is a 17.5-inch wide cabinet. We have 40 inches top to bottom, about 55 inches to this existing coil. This is a 2-ton coil. I'm assuming with the old refrigerant, I'll be able to tell you guys a little bit more once we go outside. And the major part is we're going to have to move this softener tank out, which you have just this drain attachment connected to this, which we'll just disconnect and move this out. It is going to be a little bit heavy, but that's why we have 2 guys, so they can move it pretty easy. And then we have the 3/4 inch drain line for these guys. It does have a trap, but it's not really accessible or cleanable. I'd like to change that so it's cleanable, and that way they can kind of tell or look down there. If we can just have a T-cap right here would be perfect. They have a 4-inch filter access with a 16 by 25 by 1 filter rack in there right now, and everything else looks really, really good. The cold air return that we have on this side is a 25 by 9, which is plenty for this size system. We will be condensing this down to about a 14.5-inch system compared to the 17. We'll get a coil to match. You'll most likely need to build a transition from that section up on the ductwork, but that's really everything, guys. And then one other thing I should mention, it's probably on the outdoor unit or possibly this indoor, but these line sets right here, Isaac specifically mentioned that there were some kinks and some issues with the line set when it was first installed, and we want to just make sure that's all corrected. And if we need to run brand new line set, just run them. It has an access space that we can go ahead and access. That's to the right in that main hallway that you guys can access. But that's basically everything, and that'll work.
Okay.